Welcome back to our channel Health and Wellness Bites. Today, we have an important topic to discuss. Foods to eat with hypothyroidism and foods to avoid. In this video, we'll delve into how hypothyroidism affects our body, the key nutrients necessary for thyroid function, and most importantly, the foods you should include in your diet if you're dealing with hypothyroidism. So, let's jump right in. Before we start, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you find this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Understanding hypothyroidism and metabolism. First things first, let's talk about hypothyroidism. It's a condition where the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough thyroid hormones, which play a crucial role in regulating our metabolism, the process by which our body converts food into energy. When our thyroid isn't functioning optimally, it can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and a sluggish metabolism. Essential nutrients for thyroid function. Now, let's focus on the nutrients that are essential for proper thyroid function. Iodine, selenium, zinc, and vitamins like A, D, and B12 are your thyroid's best friends. These nutrients support hormone production, conversion, and overall thyroid health. Foods to include in your hypothyroidism diet. So, what should you eat to nourish your thyroid? Number 1. Iodine. Iodine is a crucial component of thyroid hormones, and an adequate intake is essential for proper thyroid function. It helps in the synthesis of thyroid hormones, which are responsible for regulating metabolism, growth, and development. Seaweed is one of the richest natural sources of iodine. Types like kelp, nori, and wakame can be included in your diet. Be mindful of the amount, as excessive iodine intake can have negative effects. Dairy products, particularly milk and yogurt, contain iodine. Opt for fortified dairy products to ensure a higher iodine content. Eggs are another good source of iodine, along with other essential nutrients. They can be easily incorporated into various dishes. Hypothyroidism food number 2. Selenium. Selenium is an important mineral that supports thyroid function by helping to convert inactive thyroid hormones, T4, into active ones, T3. It also has antioxidant properties that protect the thyroid gland from oxidative stress. Brazil nuts are particularly high in selenium. Just a few nuts a day can provide your recommended selenium intake. Sunflower seeds and chia seeds are good sources of selenium and can be added to salads, smoothies, or yogurt. Fatty fish like tuna, salmon, and sardines are not only rich in selenium but also provide omega-3 fatty acids that have anti-inflammatory benefits. Hypothyroidism food number 3. Zinc. Zinc is essential for proper thyroid hormone production and regulation. It plays a role in the conversion of thyroid hormones and helps maintain a healthy immune system. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of zinc and can be used in soups, stews, and salads. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat provide zinc along with fiber, which supports digestive health. Hypothyroidism food number 4. Vitamins. Several vitamins, including vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin B12, are essential for thyroid health. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are rich in vitamin A, which is necessary for the production of thyroid hormones. As mentioned earlier, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout not only provide selenium, but also vitamin D, which supports immune function and helps regulate thyroid hormones. Lean meats such as poultry provide vitamin B12, which is important for healthy nerve function and red blood cell production. Hypothyroidism food number 5, vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a role in thyroid function, immune support, and overall well-being. Some dairy products like milk and yogurt are fortified with vitamin D. Check labels to ensure you're getting an adequate amount. Spending time outdoors in sunlight helps your body synthesize vitamin D. Aim for a safe amount of sun exposure while wearing sunscreen. Remember, a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods is key to supporting thyroid health. If you have specific dietary restrictions or concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. Foods to avoid for hypothyroidism. While we focus on what to eat, it's equally important to know what to avoid. Certain foods can interfere with thyroid function. Foods to avoid number 1. Soy products, like tofu, tempeh, soy milk, and edamame. Soy contains compounds called goitrogens that can interfere with the production of thyroid hormones. Goitrogens can potentially disrupt the thyroid's ability to use iodine to create hormones. This is especially relevant for people with iodine deficiency or those who rely heavily on soy products. Foods to avoid number 2, cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Cruciferous vegetables contain compounds known as goitrogens, similar to soy, which can potentially interfere with thyroid hormone production. However, cooking these vegetables can help deactivate the goitrogens, reducing their impact on thyroid function. Foods to avoid number 3. Processed foods, high in sugars and unhealthy fats, like sugary snacks, sugary beverages, fast food, deep-fried foods, and foods with trans fats. Highly processed foods that are loaded with sugars, unhealthy fats, and additives can negatively impact overall health, including thyroid function. These foods contribute to inflammation, insulin resistance, and may disrupt hormone balance. Foods to avoid number 4, gluten. Gluten-containing foods like bread, pasta, cereals, and baked goods made from wheat, barley, or rye. Some individuals with hypothyroidism, particularly autoimmune thyroid conditions like Hashimoto's disease, may also have sensitivities to gluten. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. Consuming gluten, when sensitive, can trigger inflammation and potentially exacerbate thyroid-related issues. Remember, individual responses to these foods can vary, and not everyone with hypothyroidism will necessarily need to avoid them entirely. Moderation and awareness of your body's reactions are key. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to nourishing your thyroid when dealing with hypothyroidism. Remember, your diet can play a crucial role in managing your condition and supporting your overall well-being. So, load up on those thyroid-boosting nutrients and make informed food choices to keep your metabolism running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable health tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Eat well, live well. Thank you for watching.